Did you ever export comments from social media? But reality is different. There is no button to export it. But don't worry about it. I'm here to do that. Click on the comment button where comments are available. Just you'll get button for export it. Scan this comment and export it in different formats: CSV, Markdown, and JSON. I'll just download here CSV file. Same on Facebook. I just scroll down. His comments are available. Let's view it. Now it's scanning for you. Now you can export in a 4 different formats. Now same thing on TikTok. Click on comment button to get a comments in view, and then click on plotting icon. Scan comments. Now 14 comments scrapped. Now you have to just click and get the file. That's easiest way. In Amazon it's a little bit different because on the Amazon page you have to just go on the review section. If reviews are available, then you'll get a floating icon to export this comment. Now here are 4 different things you can do it. Export JSON. We'll just get this file. Now one by one we'll get view of this file. Here is Amazon. Instagram comments. Now maybe you have a question, what have you to do for it? If you have a script, just you have to install it. Link of script given in the description.